Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add token on Tonkeeper Wallet. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper Wallet app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you've already logged in with your account. If not, you can create a new account first. Once you're logged in, you'll see this dashboard in the app. Now, in order to add token on Tonkeeper Wallet, first of all, in your account, you need to have some Ton coins. Here you can see the Ton coin option. Tap on it. As you can see, I have 0 Ton coins right now. You can easily receive Ton coins from others. Here in this page, you can see the receive option at the top. Tap on it. You can scan this QR code and receive Ton coins in your account. Or if you want to buy Ton coins, here you can see buy and sell option. Tap on it. You will find different options to buy Ton coins into your account. You can choose accordingly. And once you have enough Ton coins in your account, you need to go to the swap section. Tap on the swap icon. After you are in the swap page, in the send tab, you can enter the amount of Ton coins you want to spend. Let's say 0.2. And right below that, you can see the receive tab. Tap on it. Now you can select the token that you want to add. You'll find a list of tokens over here. For now, I'll select Akita. And there you go. You're gonna see how much token you're gonna receive from the Ton coins you're spending. After you enter your desired amount, if you have sufficient Ton coins in your account, you will be able to add tokens. So if you have enough Ton coins, here you will see the continue button. You can simply tap on it and complete the further procedure. And the token will be added to your account. That's how you can add tokens on Tonkeeper Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.